What's up? How's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a Halloween ghost. I'm gonna be using this marker. It's gonna be super fast and for beginners. Halloween is here, the season is here, so let's get started on this. I'm gonna start with a curved shape, and it's gonna be his little hand sticking out. I'm gonna draw the top part of the ghost head. We're gonna draw a Halloween ghost, by the way. His other little hand coming out. It's gonna be pulling kind of to the right here. Pulling down. I'm gonna make this one end in kind of like a tip there. There's a bunch of different ghosts on this channel, you can check it out. So ghosts have like a lot of different versions because there's so much variety to their shape. But yeah, check that out in the next few videos. Also, if you haven't picked up the How to Draw Cute ebook, check that out. I'm gonna make an announcement. There's gonna be a little Halloween book coming up in a few days, so watch out for that. I'll announce that another time though. Other than that, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And please, like the video if you do like it. I'm talking too much, sorry. So, I'm gonna put kind of the cute eyes on this one, which is like essentially like upside down U's. And what I like is I'm gonna put a little circle for the mouth, like this. Go, ooh, ooh. And that's pretty much it. That is a Halloween ghost. It's really simple, it's easy, and you can do it for the holiday season. Very simple shape. I'm gonna leave you with a question. What is Halloween stuff that you want me to draw on this channel? And I'm gonna make it happen. So let me know in the comments what stuff from Halloween you want me to do for the next month, because the next month is gonna be a Halloween, very spooky month for you guys. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you later on.